Should you kick inactive members out? No. Kidding. But no, like actually no. Because they will it's like there's no reason it will not improve your discovery ranking. They can just chill in there. There's actually no reason. Just don't do it. It's stupid. I think people feel this edge because they feel like they have to do something so they don't feel good about themselves. But when you look at it logically, like, it does nothing for you. Those people have lives, and you are not the main character. They could just come back in a month, 2 months, 3 months, a year. When I worked at a community that was making their 250K a month, so many people, so many people booked the call after being in the free community for literally a year, right? Like people, and even in most school communities, even good ones, from people that got their engagement down, and even see it as like people that have the engagement down and help people with engagement. Yeah, there's people who still have 40% of people that are on level one. Just leave it be, bro. On God, just let it go.